So in here we have, so you've got your pasting brush, as it says, to apply the paste. And we have your smoothing brush to smooth out any air bubbles, any blisters on your paperwork. Have your plastic spatula. Sometimes you'll see this used instead of the hanging brush. Again, with this, you need to make sure that your preparation processes are very good, because if they catch any bits that are imperfect on your walls, they might cause holes on your paperwork. You've got your decorator shears, 2 sizes, longer ones for doing long cuts, and then these for doing more intricate cuts around a socket or a switch. Might be easier. You might be confident enough to use these. It may seem funny to say, but the pencil is your tool when it goes to wallpapering. Make sure it's nice and sharp for when you're doing all your marking out. Plumb bobbin line for doing your vertical lines, using gravity to get a nice straight line. Then you have seam roller. Use this when you're doing vinyl papers, pushing down on the edges if they like to spring up. Normally with that, I'd normally say about putting a little bit of paper in between before you roll out, so it protects the surface and doesn't produce a shine on the corner there. And then you have your trimming knife. This one is a snap-off blade. Again, only when you've been trained really well would I suggest that you use these. These are normally used in conjunction with the plastic spatula, using those for trimming off your paper. You have your spirit level for marking out lines. Meter rule for measuring, if you would prefer this way, or you have your tape measure. Problem with tape measures is that it still has the old measurement system on there. We normally measure now in construction work in meters and millimeters. So that will always be the bottom measurement on the tape measure. So try to ignore the feet and inches that are running around the top. And then the last tool for wallpapering is what everything is sitting on. That's your wallpaper table. Again, that's to hold your wallpaper. It's not to get paste on. Try and keep it as clean as you can when you're doing your work.